Welcome to the do-it-yourself version of Wedding Time. I'll read off a list of brides' names, followed by a list of grooms' names. Using your favorite audio editor, simply cut and paste the appropriate names into the beginning of the song. All right, now time for the brides' names. Emily, Emma, Madison, Abigail, Olivia, Isabella, Hannah, Samantha, Ava, Ashley, Sophia, Elizabeth, Alexis, Grace, Sarah, Alyssa, Mia, Natalie, Chloe, Brianna, Lauren, Ella, Anna, Taylor, Kayla, Haley, Jessica, Victoria, Jasmine, Sydney, Julia, Destiny, Morgan, Caitlin, Savannah, Catherine, Alexandra, Rachel, Lily, Megan, Kaylee, Jennifer, Angelina, Michaela, Allison, Brooke, Maria, Trinity, Lillian, Mackenzie, Faith, Sophia, Riley, Haley, Gabrielle, Nicole, Kylie, Caitlin, Zoe, Paige, Gabriella, Jenna, Kimberly, Stephanie, Alexa, Avery, Andrea, Leah, Madeline, Nevea, Evelyn, Maya, Mary, Michelle, Jada, Sarah, Audrey, Brooklyn, Vanessa, Amanda, Ariana, Rebecca, Caroline, Amelia, Mariah, Jordan, Jocelyn, Ariana, Isabel, Marissa, Autumn, Melanie, Ilea, Gracie, Claire, Isabel, Molly, Maya, Diana, Katie, Leslie, Amber, Danielle, Melissa, Sierra, Madeline, Addison, Bailey, Catherine, Gianna, Amy, Aaron, Jade, Angela, Gabriella, Jacqueline, Shelby, Kennedy, Lydia, Alondra, Adriana, Riley, Eva, Kendall, Peyton, Ruby, Alexandria, Sophia, Charlotte, Reagan, Valeria, Christina, Summer, Kate, Michaela, Naomi, Layla, Miranda, Laura, Anna, Angel, Daisy, Alicia, Ciara, Margaret, Aubrey, Zoe, Skylar, Genesis, Peyton, Courtney, Kylie, Kiara, Alexia, Julian, Jillian, Lindsay, Mackenzie, Karen, Giselle, Mariana, Valerie, and Sabrina. And now for the grooms' names. James, John, Robert, Michael, William, David, Richard, Charles, Joseph, Thomas, Christopher, Daniel, Paul, Mark, Donald, George, Kenneth, Stephen, Edward, Brian, Ronald, Anthony, Kevin, Jason, Matthew, Gary, Timothy, Jose, Larry, Jeffrey, Frank, Scott, Eric, Stephen, Andrew, Raymond, Gregory, Joshua, Jerry, Dennis, Walter, Patrick, Peter, Harold, Douglas, Henry, Carl, Arthur, Ryan, Roger, Conan, Joe, Juan, Jack, Albert, Jonathan, Justin, Terry, Gerald, Keith, Samuel, Willie, Ralph, Lawrence, Nicholas, Roy, Benjamin, Bruce, Brandon, Adam, Harry, Fred, Wayne, Billy, Steve, Louis, Jeremy, Aaron, Randy, Howard, Eugene, Carlos, Russell, Bobby, Victor, Martin, Ernest, Philip, Todd, Jesse, Craig, Alan, Sean, Clarence, Philip, Chris, Johnny, Earl, Jimmy, Antonio, Danny, Brian, Tony, Luis, Mike, Stanley, Leonardo, Leonard, Nathan, Dale, Manuel, Rodney, Curtis, Norman, Alan, Marvin, Vincent, Glenn, Jeffrey, Travis, Jeff, Chad, Jacob, Lee, Melvin, Alfred, Kyle, Francis, Bradley, Jesus, Herbert, Frederick, Ray, Joel, Ricky, Troy, Randall, Barry, Alexander, Bernard, Mario, Michael, Theodore, Clifford, Tom, Miguel, Oscar, Jay, Calvin, Alex, Lloyd, John, Ronnie, Tommy, Leon, Derek, Warren, Daryl, Jerome, Floyd, Leo, Alvin, Tim. Now that you've selected your bride and groom names, please edit them into the following portion of the song.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to witness and celebrate the marriage of these two wonderful people. And